cute goodies, and now on Lerin Mam, and today I'm going to tell you something very, very important for your CBSE Maths exam. So Maths exam in a few days. In few days you should work on really on the high weightage chapters. So you should focus on two chapters, or let's say two units. The first one calculus. Calculus na you know there are few chapters coming under this. So first one the continuity and differentiability, application of derivatives, integrals, application of integrals. So these are the chapters which is coming under the calculus. So if you are just focusing on calculus itself, you can make sure around 35 marks. If you are just focusing on the previous year questions, okay, previous year questions consistent in the calculus part you can expect around 35 marks, almost 50% of the marks is coming from the calculus. So calculus you know some questions are little bit difficult, and proper practice pannitena you can crack this 35 marks easy, and it is for sure. Okay, and CBSE la consistent it is not just for one subject. Consistent there are few cases, or let's say there are few chapters consistent they are using multiple or repeated questions so adinala I'm telling you calculus mattum it will give you 35 marks. So adinala in the chapter you have to give more seriousness. And also you know that 35, okay ma'am, I need little bit more mark, I need around 50 marks you can also study this 3D as well as the vector, okay, three-dimensional geometry as well as the vector chapter. The previous year 10 years question paper you can see that in the chapter in the 3D and vector chapter almost 10 to 14 marks or 14 marks consistent they have asked the questions. So if you are just combining these two chapters together, you're going to get around 50 marks. Okay, so 50 marks now you can just focus on these chapters, and these are all interconnected. And if you are consistently practicing for the next few days now, in the 50 marks safe hands la irukka pore. So adinala marakama note paniko, these chapters high weightage or let's say calculus complete you should focus. And you should work on the our 3D as well as vector. Adukku 14 marks oda weightage irukku. Combined if you are studying, as I mentioned, 50 marks. Okay, ipo ma'am I want around 60 marks you can also add the probability chapter. And the probability chapter itself is going to give you 8 marks. Okay, so adanale ipo ingaloda target 60 you can also add this probability chapter as well. So calculus and this vector and 3 dimension going to give you the maximum score. Idukku da high weightage irukku. Calculus and this our vector 3D. So idukkaga da high weightage varudha. So adinala you should focus on this 3 chapters together in the next 3 days 50 marks safe ஆக போறே. And if you want the high weightage, or let's say if you wanted to know the weightage of each chapter give me a comment in the comment box. I'm going to give you in the next video. So all the very best guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye.